Okay, Site 7, State Library of Queensland. We're out the front and we're looking at this little interesting seating space that nobody sits on, I'm going to say. So we're in the forecourt of the library and we're looking at this space here. The extent of the site will go from the end of this pillar here, so my side of this, across the front here on this expansion joint, and then we'll go and include this vertical lighting element. So just to here, and then across. So we'll be looking at these retaining wall elements and understanding what's happening underneath those. But this is all suspended. Looking at the ground finishes here, looking at how this seating element is constructed, what it's constructed of, looking at the finer details of this, some that might be easily overlooked, looking at some of the tactile markers, the signage, the drink fountain, and of course this tactile map. So be an interesting one to draw up. So we'll treat that as the furniture element for this project. So we're going up to the end of this quartzite paving. So we're including this end baluster to the site, the lighting element up here. We're working out what the materials are. We're looking at how that functions. Come here at night, see how it functions. It's likely to work completely different to during the day. It's generally a space that people are walking straight through. It's kind of a threshold space. It's interesting, choice of materials, and it's kind of a space that you don't forget, even if you mightn't necessarily utilize it. So that is Site 7. Quite an interesting space. As you can see, it's people generally passing through.